Hello, welcome to first grade. We are so excited to start a new school year with your children. Important times that you need to remember are the breakfast line is open from 7 o'clock until 7:40. Breakfast and lunch are free. The tardy bell is at 7:40 a.m. If your child arrives at school at 7:35 and still needs to have breakfast, encourage them to do so quickly. We don't want them to miss any instructional time. What you can expect in first grade. In first grade, the students are expected to come to school every day, read their library book every day, and be prepared to take their AR the next day. Study their sight words every day and be prepared for their assessment at the end of the week. Practice their spelling words weekly. Become fluent in their math facts, both addition and subtraction. Complete their homework daily and turn it in on Friday. Complete 45 minutes of reading and math iReady weekly. And be kind to one another. The first grade schedule is as follows. At 7:30, they will be in homeroom. At 8 o'clock, they will be working in ELA. 9:30 is when they start doing math. 10:30, they work on iReady. At 11 o'clock, they have lunch. Lunch time is scattered. Each teacher goes to lunch 3 minutes later from each other. At 11:45, they have the knowledge block. At 12:45, they have recess. At 1:15, they have special area. And at 2:10 is dismissal. Car riders must have a sign in the dashboard with the child's name in order to pick the child up. Without a 5-point sign, you will need to park and walk up to the office to check out your child from the car rider line. Dismissal begins at 2:10. Please pick up your children promptly. This year we will be using a clip chart system to monitor your child's behavior and classroom choices. If the child follows the rules, they will be rewarded. Otherwise, consequences will be given to those who choose not to follow the rules. This is how the child will receive their conduct and work habits grades. The curriculum that we are using. For phonics and spelling, we are using Saxon. For reading and ELA, we are using Wonders. For math, we are using Go Math. For science, we are using Florida Science. Each of the teachers in first grade are required to conference with everyone at the end of each 9 weeks of school. During this conference, they will review test scores, grades, and any other concerns or questions that a parent might have. You will be getting a schedule when it comes closer to the end of the 9 weeks. However, you can always call and set up an appointment before that time if you have any concerns. Thank you for coming to our virtual open house. We're looking forward to a great year.